Hi guys, this is Steffanie. Welcome to Steffanie's Journey, and today I am going to let you guys see my new July budget kit and what I have new in my shop for July. So let's get started. First off, for my monthly budget kit, there will be 6, that goes with that one, 2. Okay. For my monthly kit, there will actually be 6 sheets in it, and they can be purchased individually, or you can buy them as one kit. And I'll link below on the screen, as well as down below, a link to my shop. So the first one, sheet 1A and 1B, these are the expense, sinking fund, debit tracker, cash envelope, goals. And I did it in a theme for Independence Day, 4th of July. And I changed this up from my June, and June was my first one, but they wasn't really related to budgeting, so I changed this to no spend important. No spend important this week, today, savings, and then I repeated that again down below. So we have that, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 of those. So it's not an even number, so something is on there 3 times. I don't know what it is. Savings is on there 3 times. Then we have expenses, sinking funds, debt tracker, cash envelope. So that's sheet 1A and 1B, and then we have sheet 2, A and B, and this has your July budget, your budget review. It also has some washi tapes that has your income, budgeted, actual, and then your plus and minus, your expenses, budget, actual, plus and minus, and then your 2 total sheets that match each one of those, and those are thin washes. These are the thick washes, and here I have 2 thin washes and then some page stickers that match these. So that is your sheet 1B, 1A and 1B, and again they can be purchased separately. And then your third and final monthly budget kit sheets is your 3A. It has thin washes, it has 12 payday stickers, it has 5 goals, 4 to-dos, and 4 appointments, and I made them in red and blue as well. And then on this B one, 3B, we have 4 washes and 4 full boxes, and they all match together. And again, I also have other add-ons for the kit, but this is a full kit on the shop, and it's $20, and you get all 6 of these sheets. And then individually you can check the prices there, because it depends upon what paper you get. If you get the premium paper, is $20, and I think removable paper is $18. So just check the site below and see what you get as far as pricing, because it varies based on the type of paper that you get. I also have my weekly kit that I done, which matches this monthly kit. So we have 6 different full boxes, and then we have the dots you can put over your dates or use them however you want to use them. So I just put a different set of them below using the different themes that I used in this kit for July. And this one has the week. I don't know if that picks up on the calendar, but it has the days of the week, Monday through Friday, and then it has 1 to do. And that it's in white. Maybe I should have done it in blue, but I don't know. I liked it in white. You can see it in person. Not sure how well it picks up on camera. And then we have each of the days of the week, 31 days. We also have 9 dots. We have some trackers, so you can use this for, put it in a box. They're wide enough for the full box. They're the same length as the full box, so you can use these to track something, and it's 7 of them in case you want to do habit trackers for 7 days. You can do that. And then the mini boxes, you have those in case you want to call out something. So that is in the weekly. Then we also have this full kit, and you can buy this individually as well. As always, everything can be bought individually or as a set. So this full set is on there. You get this, and then this is the add-on You can add this on to your weekly or to your monthly. It has the 4 ombre checklist in the red and blue, and then the full boxes in the red and blue as well. I did a different variation on this one in case you want to pick it up, so it's different than your 4 boxes. Well, these two are actually the same, but that's the only 4 boxes. Some 4 boxes I got on another one, but these match the full kit, so you can get these as add-ons. And you have red, white, and blue, and then I forget what this is called because my mind went blank. My camera made a noise and I thought it went out. But anyway, we have 8 different washes, thin washes, and you have your July, you have your weeks 1 through 5 expenses, then you have Monday through Sunday, you have goal, and you have a budget, and you have expenses. So you can buy this separately as well and use this as part of your monthly or your weekly kit. And the last thing I got for my monthly weekly spread are these boxes. And like I said, I try to do some variations in my boxes. As you can see, they're a little different. These are really cute for the holidays, for the 4th of July, for the red, white, and blue theme. So here you get 9 full boxes, and you get 3, 6, 9, 12 to-dos. There is 2 different styles, and then you get 3 thick washies in case you just want washies in the small to-dos. And the full boxes, you can get this as an add-on or individually. So that is it as far as what I have up in my shop now for my monthly, weekly budget and planning kit. So again, thank you guys for stopping by. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Please be sure to go check out my shop. It is Designs by Steffanie, and you can check that out. I'll link it below as well as across the screen so you guys can see it. And thank you for stopping by, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.